Hello, sir or ma'am. Your problem statement is about the including multiple domain inside a single platform, which are education, healthcare, legal, agriculture, safety. So have included Google Authenticator inside your application so there will be on bad gateway to enter our application. So let's start with learning domain. Inside our learning domain, we included multiple courses like Python for beginners, UI/UX design fundamentals, machine learning, Flutter mobile development courses. If we want, we can add more. So inside our course, there will be a demo video and tests to take by the users, and their score will be stored inside the activity area. And here is our Prescriptoit and healthcare assistant where people can find doctors and book an appointment with them and fill their basic details here and tell them your health issue and describe it and rate that condition on the scale of 1 to 5 and select and date and time of the appointment. We can also see the appointments inside the booked appointments section so people will know when was the timing of appointment. Here we used the Redis. Redis is an ultra-fast, in-memory data store used to make applications faster and more responsive. In the medical records section, we can see all the records of the person where doctors had given. In the medicine sections, we can able to see all the types of the medicines and when we have to use them accordingly to the weekly dosage. And inside the health articles section, we can see few articles so people can have more awareness about their health. Login AI. In Login, we have AI chatbot, which is based on the RAG Retrieval Augmented Generation pipeline, where it is going to answer back us based on the documents we have. Inside the cases and disputes, we can see few data which is related to the case which are active, under review and resolved.
So for this mobile application, we are not using API to make sure it works on the SSE.
So we have WebSockets. So what it does is the data is directly taken from the web application as showing in the video, and we can check it. My hopscotch, the data is been then for every 5,000 milliseconds to 1,000 milliseconds. In the section of my legal documents, we have see all the law from the Indian Constitution, and this also works on the WebSockets, and that data is being changed for every reload. In our law library, we can also see different types of domains, and if we select an domain from the given domains, we have see the each and every law related that specific domain. In the Consult Advocate section, we can also consult an advocate. Agrigent. And we can also communicate with the AI crop advisor and ask few doubt based on the crop we have. In the farm details, we can add our farm details like few things displayed on the screen, and we can also add the image, and it will be stored inside Minio, which is a high-performance, open-source object storage system that is fully compatible with the Amazon S3 runs locally. We can also see all the pesticides guides for various crops. We can also buy the products directly from the farmers, and we can help them. In government schemes, we can see all the schemes which are useful for the farmers, for they can be updated. For this also we use the WebSockets. Inside the live tracking section, we can see the live weather updates from different languages, and there from the YouTube. Inside our meter feedback, the AI is going to give us the feedback based on the activity area reference. Inside About Us, we are from the startup company called Log Sagittarius. In the Let's Get in Touch section, if we message the admin about the specific thing that we are sending to the domain's email. We had created an AI agent for our email. As you can see the workflow, it triggers the email and understands it by an LLM model and structured it and drafts it to their email. We can't direct relay on the AI, right? We had also created an AI agent for our Telegram, and this is our workflow where there isn't simple memory to store the data, and the users can see what are the tasks they have today, and ask any kind of questions to them in such a way that it could answer any of the user questions. Safeguard AI. Inside our Safeguard AI, there is a section called Emergency Contact where users can add their trusted contact almost 3. The users can also book an online FIR, and they have to fill the details that are displayed on the screen. Few of them are like what was the issue, how it started, what weapons are used. If wanted to cancel the FIR, we have to pay 500 Indian rupees to this. There are also few safety tips for each and every situations like traveling, digital, home, personal, etc. We also have the SOS button. When the user click on it, we will be sending their live location with their coordinate to their trusted contacts. We also used the Docker to make sure there create few container when it reaches the limits. Thank you, sir. If you have doubt, please reach out to Dynamo developers.